Hope you understand now. The moment there is no flow from south to north, that's the reason why the moment they cut that wire, the alarm will sound. So to form a loop now. But you are not saying it louder. You got the answer right, but you are not confident enough. You know, one thing somebody told me that in this Nigeria is very funny. Even if you don't get the answer right, if you are very confident, you will confuse those that have the right answer. Yes. That's why most politicians are fooling us.
I do not fool us.
It's you that will not allow you to fool. Are you sure of the other person? Can you see now? What do you note? After that thing have sounded alarm, the alarm light is still on. So even if you go there and they tell you that the light, this thing has stopped making noise, and you see this, you know that somebody has tampered with the wire. If I now do it again now, what do you notice about the alarm light?
It stopped blinking.
What now happened?
It's still blinking, just like it's dim.
No, it's not blinking.
It's
this one that is sending this one.
It's this one that is reaching here. Yes. It's not blinking.
This bad light is blinking.
Bad to good. So it means current is flowing out like this. You can help me touch this side.
Huh? Don't touch it.
I've touched you before now. Before you look on it, I've touched you. Can you explain and touch it?
That's where the energy is flowing out. And what do you notice about the power here now? The power is blinking. When the power is blinking like this, it means that there is no power charging your battery. It's exhausting the energy inside the battery. But if you are using solar to power it, it will still be blinking. But it will still be charging your battery. So it is on the display of your charge controller that will now tell you the edge of the battery. Have I answered that one? Should I repeat the last class or this is okay? So there are some fuse here.
If you are using this thing now, you are using inverter to control this thing, you need the charge control.
No, if you are using inverter, you just plug the straight. You don't need charge control like this.
Yes.
So there are some fuse here. You have the what we call the supply fuse. If after plugging your Energizer is not bringing light, is this fuse like that problem? We have what we call the battery fuse. If after plugging your Energizer, the battery light is still blinking like this, instead of turning me off, is the what? Battery fuse. And we have what we call the auxiliary fuse. Auxiliary fuse are the one controlling it. The moment your clients start complaining, and the Energizer is working, but the alarm is not making noise. The Energizer is working, but the alarm is not sounding, or maybe the lights. You need to come and check this fuse. The auxiliary fuse control everything that is connected here. I need to line. And there are sometimes one of the major things that normally spoil this Energizer is thunder strike. The moment thunder strike like this, the Energizer must start. So I always advise it. Anywhere you are using Energizer, you advise your clients to make provision for what? Thunder arrest. Or you can also do the design for thunder arrest. In the past, I used to do thunder arrest very well. I just stopped doing it because of night. When my mommy called, one day I climbed one place and I put it on Facebook, 2-story video. When my mommy saw that video, my mommy called me and said, please, don't kill yourself. Don't climb such height again, please.
So the lights control the strobe lights and the alarm.
What do you notice? What do you notice again? I did something now, what do you notice? If there is light flowing, if they cut the wire, there's no wire, alarm will sound. If you also loop, maybe they cut the wire and try to join it, the earth and the neutral, the alarm will also sound. And another note of warning, if you see anybody shocked by electric train, don't go there and try to use that person. If you come here and you off it, the current is still flowing. What do you notice? Let me pause it. are starting. This is, as you see it now, if somebody, do you notice that that's why the father is showing forth here? What do you notice again? The current is still flowing. Do you get what I'm saying? You can see this thing is not on light now. So you go and put it off and on. Current is still flowing. You need either to get this thing to stop it here, or if it's still making the old noise, you need to remove this thing like this. It will disconnect straight. But this spring is the one correcting it. So it's either you use the spring, you remove this cover of this. Don't rush and say, your Baba Mudi has been electrocuted. There is which of you want to remove it. You also you join the queue.
Even worst. You transfer everything to your own body.
Hope I've answered that question now. Let me also put the light sign now because I see you guys are somehow confused. Help me with this. So after this, I may not be talking about Energizer till the end of this section of this training. Maybe when another group now comes. One thing you notice is the moment the alarm sound, when you have the fence light like this, the light is also start playing. And everywhere that pass through here must pass through. That's why they make provision. Where's the cover? For the cover. So that it will be able to cover. That's why they make provision. So let me energize it. Can you see? It's still working perfectly. Let me now do this.
Your hand small.
Your hand small now.
Come on, your hand.
Your hand watch your hand. The thing doesn't stay much. Cover it now. What do you notice again?
The current is still flowing.
So sometimes, if the port for the Energizer is not working, for the alarm, you can also switch to the light port. But the difference between alarm and lightning is this. If you switch to the light port, you will notice that the light is not stable. So the alarm will not be like, wow, stop. Anytime you notice that as well, it means they might have switched, instead of using the alarm port, they use it for lighting port. Have I answered that question now? Let me now move through. I'm through with everything about Energizer. I'm listening.
Is it possible for you to be using the key and switch?
Yes. I've said that earlier. You can use key and switch at the same time. But key is superior to switch. If you are using the Energizer key, the moment you put it on, it's only when light goes off and on. That's when the key can put it on. But if you now use this key now to off it again, when you off it and on it, the switch will always override the key. When you disconnect and connect. You understand what I mean now? So assuming I remove this wire now, meaning that I off it. If light comes, this Energizer will start automatically. But if I put it on and off to off, do you understand what I'm saying now? The key will override the switch will override the key when you change the power supply. But if the power supply is always here, this will override this. Do you get what I'm saying? So let me move away from
So sir, if you want to put the switch now, you are going to put it at that point.
you will remove this.
Yes.
Already connected. You now connect your positive and negative. So you
Switch.
switch it on.
Okay.
And at any point where you put on and off, you put the main supply on like this. You override your magnetic key.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying now?
Yes sir.
Maybe I put magnetic key, I use it to switch it off. I now switch it off and on. It will override this. It will start working.
Okay.
So how are you going to connect the switch to control?
I've already explained it now. You connect positive and negative. It's here now. It's already written here.
So they will remove the
You remove
looping.
the loop. You now connect the switch straight.
Okay.
Can I move on?